Hello student of class 6. Today I am going to solve related with exercise 10.2. In previous video I had given answer of exercise 10.2. The name of this chapter is speed, distance and time. My dear student, I am discuss about distance. Distance is the product of speed and time. It means distance is equal to speed into time. Time is equal to distance by speed, and speed is equal to distance by time. Now dear students, in this chapter what you are going to solve, how to change kilometer per hour. If a speed is given 1 kilometer per hour is equal to what? Meter per change into meter per second. So if you will multiply 5 by 18 meter per second, 5 by 18 meter per second. Similarly, 1 meter per second is equal to dash kilometer per hour. My dear student, what you will write? 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. In video part 2, I have given how this 5 by 18 came, how this 18 by 5 came. Right? Kilometer change into meter, or even a centimeter, hour into minute, minute into second. Right? So the question number 1 I am going to solve. And what is that question number first? See this one in your book. Exercise 10.1, first question. First question is there. A train, first question, a train, one train is there. What is there? A train, have you seen train? The train is there whose length is 120 meter long. 120 meter long is traveling at 72 kilometer per hour. Okay, how long will it take to cross first is their pole and a platform of 180 meter. 180 meter. Now see this one. meter long. This is question asking. My dear student, see this one. What is given? First is given a speed of a train, the length of the train, the length of a train that is given 120 meter, and the speed of the train, that is given 72 kilometer per hour. Per hour. Now what is asking? Time is asking. Time is asking. Time is not given. What is not given? Time is not given. My dear student, time is not given. What he will do? The length of the train. See this one. How you can solve? One train is there. This is your train. Okay. Now here, this is your engine. Now this length is 120 meter. One pole is here. What is that? One pole is here. One pole. This is your pole. Please listen. This train is there, and now this train wants to cross. This is the pole. And actually, what is distance? The length of the train, that is distance. So here distance, what is you write? Distance equal to 120 meter. My dear student, a speed of the train, here the unit distance is given in meter, and the speed of the train is given 72 kilometer per hour. What is given? 72 kilometer per hour. My dear student, this is your pole, and this train wants to cross this pole. Okay, this train, it is standing near the. Okay, now this is your pole, and the train wants to cross. It means whatever the length of the train, that is the distance. And now the speed of the train is given 72 km per hour. So now we change meter per second. 72 into 5 by 18 meter per second. 72 if you will divide, it will become 4. 72 when you will divide with 18 means 20 meter per second. Now what is asking? Time. So time is equal to distance by a speed. And what is distance? That is the length of the train. 120 meter by a speed is given 20 meter per second. So now this meter 6. Now what is the unit of time? A smallest unit is here. So your answer is 6 seconds. 6 seconds. This is your answer. This is your answer. Understood now? Now the second part of this question, a speed is clear. What is the speed came? So now time is equal to 6 seconds. This is your answer. Now second part of this question is there. Second part of this answer. Write the total distance. Total distance. That is equal to the length of the train. The length of a train plus the length of the platform. Now distance, total distance, what you will write? Total distance, that is equal to the length of the train 120 meter and the length of the platform 180 meter, that is equal to 300 meter. What is it right? 300 meter. Now what is the speed given? A speed. In the question it is given a speed of a train. That is given 72 kilometer per hour. 72 kilometer per hour. 72 kilometer per hour means 72 into 5 by 80. 72 divide 20 meter will come. 20 meter per second. 20 meter per second. Now what? How long it will take? Now 20 meter per second a speed came and total distance is 300 meter. So now time. Again time is asking. So time is equal to what is it right? Total distance by a speed of the train. A speed of a train. Now what is given total distance? 300 meter. 300 meter by what is given a speed? 20 meter per second. So you have studied the unit of time. You will write this cancel 30 divided by 2. My dear student, what you will write? 15 seconds. So 15, 30 divided by 2 means 15 seconds is your answer. Means first answer 6 seconds and the second means a train will pass a pole, it will take 6 seconds and platform means what? The length of the train plus that is called the length of the train and plus the length of platform 300 meter. You will divide, answer will come. Okay, this is the one question I have done. Understood now? Now the next question is there. Second, next question 4. What is 4? See this. Question number 4. 4 is there. A train 100 meter. What is the length? A train 100 meter. A train 100 meter length. Crossed 100 meter and crossed a pole in 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Find its speed in kilometer per hour. Please, a train 100 meter pole is there. So train, length of a train, distance, here you write distance is equal to the length of a train. That is given 100 meter. What is that? 100 meter. And time what is given? 5 seconds. Time taken. It is given 5 seconds. Okay. What you will do? A speed is equal to, my dear student, reply. A speed is equal to what you will write? Distance by time. Distance what is here given? 100 meter. Time what is given? 5 seconds. 100 to divide with 5, 20 will come. Means 20 meter per second. Now 20 meter per second. But the question is telling find its speed in kilometer per hour. What is telling? Find the speed in kilometer per hour. So convert into 20 meter per second is equal to, this is the speed is given. What is given? A speed is given 20 meter per second. Change into kilometer per hour. So what I say? 20 into multiply 18 by 5. 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Now 20 you will divide with 5. 4 will come. Your answer is 70 kilometer per hour. What is the speed? This is your answer. What is your answer? 72 kilometer per hour. Understood now? Now the next question is there 6. Six is there. A train is traveling at 45 kilometer per hour. And crosses a pole in 12 seconds. In this part, two part of question is there. First, A is asking find the length of the train, and second, B is asking how long will it take to cross a tunnel. How long will it take to cross a tunnel 125 meter long? Please. Okay. Now see this one. What is given? A train is traveling at 45 kilometer per hour. At 45 kilometer means a speed of a train is given. A speed of a train equal to 45 kilometer per hour. 45 kilometer per hour. Now, may I be a student? Since it is given time is given. What is given? 12 seconds. Now, this 45 kilometer change into meter per second. What you will write? 45 into what I said? To change kilometer per hour into meter per second, 5 by 80 meter per second. Now it is divisible by 9 18 divided by 9, 2 will come, and 45 if you will divide with 9, 5 will come. So what is your answer? It will come 25. 5 into 5, 25 by 2 meter per second. But it came 25 by 2 meter per second. Here, a part is asking, find the length of the train. Means distance is asking. Distance equal to the length of the train. The length of the train. My dear student, distance. What I said, distance is equal to what you will write. Distance is asking, and that is the length. A distance is equal to what you will write. A speed into time. A speed into time. A speed into time. My dear student, what is the speed? You find out. What you got? 25 by 2. 25 by 2 meter. I need to. The meter per second I am not writing because the distance in it is either kilometer or meter. So 25 by 2 and into what is time second? 12 seconds into 12. So now 12 you divide with 2, it will come 6. 150 meter. The length of the train, this is your answer. One part of this answer. What is this one? One part of this answer. 150. Now, the second part of this answer is there. A speed of the train is same, 25 by 2 meter per second. It is not going to change. But the part second, what is telling in B part, how long, total distance, what is there? Total distance. So now, total distance means the length of the train, the length of the train plus the length of a tunnel. Now what is the length of train you got? 150 meter. 150 meter and plus 125 meter. The length of the tunnel is equal to what you will write? 275 meter. Now my dear student, how long it will take? So now time it will take time. Time is equal to, time is asking. So time is equal to total distance by a speed of the train. A speed. Now time. What is time? So here 275 and time is asking total distance 275 and what is the speed of the train? 25 by 2. The unit is here seconds. So now what you will write? 225 into 2 by 25. You got it? One time, again one time, what it will come? 22 seconds. 22 seconds. Understood? 22 seconds. 11 into 2, 22 seconds. This is the answer. So here two part of this answer. First is asking find the length of the train, so 150 meter, and how long it will take means time is asking 20 seconds, 22 seconds is there. Understood? Now my dear student, I am going to close it. Please, if you have problem, you ask and try to solve. Thank you.